Hello, dear aspirants. I hope you all are good and really doing good or attempting your best for the 2023 attempt. Today, I'm here with some serious concerns. Actually, last few years, I tried to observe the different phases of UPSC preparation. What happens, actually this is, you can say, very much factual or very much statistical in nature, whatever I'm gonna talk to you with you all today. When I see my Quora profile, okay, usually, like, I'm not boasting myself, but yes, okay, I have written a lot content there for UPSC aspirants. So what I realized there, एक टाइम ऐसा होता है जिसके बाद उसमें मैं देखता हूँ ना, क्वेरीज या जो मैं मेंटरिंग कॉल्स लेता हूँ उनमें एक्सपोनेंशियली एक तेजी से उनमें इंक्रीमेंट नज़र आता है मुझे। आज से 4 साल पहले मैं सोचता था कि ऐसा कब हो रहा है, किस टाइम पे हो रहा है। तो आज जो मैं आपके साथ बात कर रहा हूँ उसका मकसद ये है कि अब जैसे जैसे ये जो नवंबर के बाद वाला फेज है, n number of queries will be arising from different aspirants. For me, if 5,000 candidates are writing this exam, they all are different entities. They may be writing the same exam, but each of them is going through different scenarios, different type of conditions. You will agree with that. And if you are not agreeing, if you are thinking that it is synonymous, it is uniform in nature, then you are wrong, dear. If you are struggling, if you are feeling the inertia, if you are feeling कि sir, I am not studying at that pace as I used to be just 1 month before or 15 days before, and it is happening with you only, then you are wrong in nature actually. It is happening with every serious aspirant, but the degree of that inertia is different for each individual, believe me. So what I found during my Quora writing कि each individual has a different, because जब मैंने बोला ना बच्चों को कि it was like 4 years back or 3.5 years कि शाम को 7 से 8 आप मुझसे बात कर सकते हैं, मेरा नंबर ये है 9971030052। तो वो मैंने कॉल्स जब लेना स्टार्ट किए, जब मैं बच्चे से बात कर रहा हूँ, तो हाँ, ये चीज़ मेरे को शुरू से क्लियर था कि नहीं, सामने वाले को सुनना है, उसकी चीज़ों को जानना है कि what actually he or she wishes to tell, what actually the phases he or she is going through actually. So during those mentoring calls over the phone, like it used to be sometimes 45 minutes call, sometimes 1.5 hours call, it is going on like this. लेकिन उससे मुझे एक चीज़ समझ में आई कि यूपीएससी के डिफरेंट जो फेजेस हैं, अगर वहाँ पर इफ़ देयर इज़ अ प्रॉपर गाइड, if there is a proper mentor with them, then they can do really good in their life, in their UPSC journey. So from those days only I decided कि now for me the life will be like a psychiatrist come teacher. Okay, actually I went through more worse situations. When I took sessions under the psychiatrist from AIMS, Delhi, one thing, okay, I was going through the bad situations, but slowly as I was being recovered, I tried to analyze the situations, I tried to put myself in each of that condition and tried to figure out what actually an UPSC aspirant goes through. On those basis, I tried to write the things over the Quora. People appreciated those. एंड लॉट ऑफ कॉल्स अभी तो ऐसा होता है कि कई बार मतलब बच्चों से शेड्यूल्ड कॉल हैं, फिर भी बात नहीं हो पाती है, एक एक दो दो दिन कॉल्स डिले हो जाते हैं. आप समझते हैं इस चीज़ को कि सो मैनी इंगेजमेंट्स आर देयर. स्टिल मैं कोशिश करता हूँ कि सबसे मेरी बात हो, और एक दो दिन डिले भले ही हो जाए लेकिन बात होती है. फिर तो जब बात होती है बच्चों से, मुझे पता चलता है कि अच्छा कौन किस फेज से गुजर रहा है. ड्यू टू द प्राइवेसी आई एम नॉट ओपनिंग द नेम्स, बट आई हैव दोज लाइक कैंडिडेट्स जिनका अगर मैं आपको ऑडियो रिकॉर्डिंग सुनाऊं कॉल का, बिकॉज दोज कॉल्स आर फॉर लाइक ना क्वालिटी पर्पस, यू विल रियलाइज कि फर्स्ट 10 मिनट्स ऑफ द कॉल कि यार पता नहीं इस बच्चे के साथ क्या होगा, व्हाट डिसीजन ही और सी विल टेक. But that is my habit. All these diaries are fill up of these mentoring calls. इतने सारे बच्चों से बात करने के बाद ना इंडिविजुअल पे जो मैंने काम किया है उससे मैंने कुछ चीज़ें निकालने की कोशिश की. और यूपीएससी के डिफरेंट फेजेस में बच्चा क्या फील कर रहा है, उसको क्या डोसेस चाहिए. लेट्स से एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम मैं आपको एक सिंपल क्वेश्चन बोलता हूँ. अब मैक्सिमम एस्पिरेंट को ये होता है कि सर मैं कंप्लीटली प्रीलिम्स पर स्विच कर जाऊं, वेदर आई शुड स्विच कंप्लीटली ऑन द प्रीलिम्स प्रिपरेशन और द मेंस प्रिपरेशन. GS4 को कैसे कॉप अप करना है, क्या अभी पढ़ूं या छोड़ दूं, आंसर राइटिंग शुड बी केप्ट ऑन और नॉट, टेस्ट सीरीज सर मेरा आधा हो गया है आधा नहीं हुआ है करके. थिंग इज all those questions are dealt in details. Why I am here to deliver this message today? Because I'm sensitive for that. Yesterday also I received 5 mentoring calls. Okay, although 3 were delayed for today, I'll talk to them. Persons who are IIT alumni, persons who are BHU alumni, persons who are from some regional universities but more caliber, somewhere they are feeling some sense of insecurity, not because of content. And after those calls I realized that they are not lagging behind the content. Day before yesterday I was talking with a student, Mayuri, I guess she is from Karnataka. 4 months back she had a mentoring call with me, and okay, sorted. Now the queries were there. After 25 minutes call, the delightness over her like voice, if I if you listen that audio you'll feel that. So thing is, why I am here today to tell you dear that now okay, the teaching part is fine, you need someone who can guide you with yours those psychological factors. And for that I have been continuously trying to do my best, whatever I could share, whatever the facts and figures I can have, whatever the reasonings or methods I have learned from those psychiatrists of AIIMS. And why I am now like dreaming of a becoming psychiatrist teacher. You getting my point? Thing is कि यहाँ पर हर एस्पिरेंट, even he or she getting AIR1, still before the exam itself or before the result itself, they also go through the same situations. So don't feel depressed. Always try to get the solution, and believe me, yes, there are solutions. So what I can do for you? You just set a mentoring call with me. It is not for promotion or nothing like that. I am saying you will get your solution, and the exact solution according to your concerns. And that is why today I am more confident about my profession, what I decided for me after more than a decade of a teaching, कि no, teaching हो सकता है, लोग कर रहे हैं, but I can be something else. So teaching part is okay. Mathematics optional I am teaching. For the things current affairs I can do, whatever I can do I am trying to do. Mindset making for every topic of the UPSC I have been consistently doing. The thing is कि उसके apart बच्चों की कुछ बातें होती है. किसी का 5 महीने से उसका एक्सीडेंट हो गया, कुछ हो गया, और वो मतलब उसको समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि अब बैकलॉग कैसे पूरा किया जाए. Just 2 days before, like I had a call this girl. उसको मैंने जिस हिसाब से बात किया कि 5 महीने का जो करंट अफेयर है, that is nothing to worry about it. Only the thing is you have to develop the things, how to align the things with the main topic. If you are good at your static part, if you have covered your static syllabus well, then nothing to worry about actually. Thing is how to align those current affairs का जो भी backlog हो गया है, how to align that. That is the important thing. So for that, the call was sorted at like okay. And that is why I was always worrying about the things ki what tough situations you people are going on. For that, even if I can play a single role in that, yes, I'm there. You can get in touch. You can put your queries. Those are very much useful in future, and you can sort it out those queries for sure. Okay, so don't hesitate. Come forward, discuss, and get an exact schedule or exact plan according to your strengths and weaknesses. And for that you need a guide. For that you need a psychiatrist kind of thing. Getting? So yes, this was the message I wanted to convey at this point of time. Get in touch, join the groups, or you can have a talk with me also without any hesitation. But we sorted at this point of time. So how to cope up the prelims को switch करना है मेंस पे या मेंस से prelims पे, कितना backlog हो गया, how to cover that, all those questions you can get sorted for that. So yes, I'd like to wish you all good luck. So keep learning.